Tesla was left with almost 75% of Bitcoin worth $936 million, which was owned by the company. The sale became known from the report of the manufacturer of electric cars for the second quarter. In a presentation to shareholders, the company explained that the depreciation of Bitcoin negatively affected profitability in the second quarter. During this period, Tesla reported $2.5 billion in operating income. The market immediately reacted to the news, devaluing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies even more. Bitcoin, which was traded at $24,000 on Wednesday, fell to $23,078.18, losing 2.5% of its value. Ethereum, the second largest by market capitalization, lost 3% in the time since the publication of the Tesla report. Elon Musk and Tesla have a complicated relationship with cryptocurrencies. In February 2021, the company invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. Then this had a positive effect on the cryptocurrency and it reached an all-time high of $43,000. Already in May 2021, Musk changed his attitude to Bitcoin. He announced that Tesla would stop accepting it as payment, citing the environmental damage of mining. In the report for the first quarter of 2022, Tesla indicated that it believes in the long-term potential of Bitcoin digital assets. However, even then shareholders warned that price changes affect its profitability.